back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Another day of car week. I've lost track on what day it is, but we are going to an auction today. It's called RM So The Buys or something like that. It's a bunch of old cars, like old Ferraris, old McLarens, old Porsches, just old everything, and it's all just stupid expensive cars that I can't afford. But we are gonna go, and we're gonna hope to see some pretty crazy cars. Last year there was F40s, there was Countachs, and it looked like it was crazy. So I'm really hoping the turnout's just about the same. And I'm on my way to go get some drinks because I need to wake up, and then I will see you guys when we get there. So we finally made it here, but I have a little bit of a walk because I had to park pretty far away because there's no parking here. I'm not gonna lie. There's absolutely no parking, and I'm so far that I have to mark on my map. I have to pin it and save it so I don't forget where I parked. And we should be good. Okay. There we go. Now, it's time to actually walk over there. It is jam-packed. I did not expect it to be that full. All right. Let's get going, I guess. Well, we're saying bye to the M3 for a while. We have a 9-minute walk, so it's not too bad, but it's still crazy to me that I had to park this far because the maps took me to a spot where that's definitely not where you're supposed to park because it was a valet, and I'm gonna pass on that. So yeah, I think I could cut through this. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna save some time. Yeah, it's packed over here. There's actually so many Porsches. Oh my god. The interior on this one's insane. Look at this. Oh man. This one right here is literally the perfect spec. Yep. Turbo. The red. This is exactly what my dream car is. The exact one. Same color. Same wheels. Oh my god, it's so nice. Oh my god. That is crazy. And then the slant nose right next to it. These are so nice as well. It's a turbo as well. Oh my god. Oh wow. Holy crap. Damn. Holy crap. That wing is insane on that thing. This is wild. This Saleen is so nice looking. Such a nice body. It's got full carbon fiber wheels. Holy crap. That is insane. That is really wide. Holy shit. SLK, CLK, SLS, that's what it was. Damn. Another Senna. Oh my god, dude. These things look insane. Holy crap. Look at that. So nice in there. It's an Avid Quattro. Holy. That's wild. This is so nice. Carbon wing, carbon wing, carbon wing. Carbon wings all down the line. nice actually. Reminds me of like the F40 style headlights. That is the craziest looking back end I've ever seen. Oh my god. There's spider webs in there, what the heck? Oh my goodness. That is wild. This wing is huge. What do you mean there's spider webs in there? It's not real. Damn. That's crazy. That back end is just so mean. Saline. That car is just long. That car is so long. It's huge. That's wild. That's so nice. And there's the orange one. Damn. Wow. That's crazy.
Sunlighting is great and the shadows are terrible.
Yeah. Got an old Quattro. Damn. Those things are nice. Whoa. Look at that, all the gear buttons are up top. That is wild. There was a couple 300 SLs. They were like 1.3 mil. I never really understood that, but... Wait, this is an Aston Martin? Holy crap. That doesn't even look like it'd be remotely close to an Aston Martin. That's a really expensive coffee table. Holy crap. This thing is nice. It's so crazy to me that the gauge for the miles per hour is on that side. It's on the passenger side, look at that. It's not on that side, it's on that side. That is extremely weird. But I used to drive this car all the time in Need for Speed. That says something, right? Well, we are back at the M3. The event was really good. It was very small. There was a lot of really, really expensive cars. There was a Bentley, I ended up recording it, and it was, I looked at the price tag, it was like $3.2 million. Oh my gosh. And then there was also a guy on a phone call right next to me when I was recording saying, like, oh yeah, no, this is a great price for what it is. I was like, what the? People have money. Like, people just have money to spend on cars like that. That's insane. I am gonna go ahead and get going. I kind of wish these events had like a lot more cars, because there was only that Porsche area that you guys saw, and then the, like, where all the McLaren Sennas and the Saleen and all those were. That was another area. That was it. Just those two areas, which kind of sucks. Wish it was a lot bigger, but I get it. It's an auction. You can't have like thousands of cars, but other than that, the turnout was pretty great. I didn't even expect really to see any like McLaren Senna, Saleens, like super, super expensive Porsches, but well, that proved me wrong. So we are going to head back, and yeah. Hopefully tomorrow is a little more action-packed. I think it's another auction, so I'm assuming it's not gonna be nearly as crazy. And I'm pretty sure this auction was gonna be like technically the craziest auction out of all of the groups, but Saturday is going to be the best day, for sure. It's gonna be crazy. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you guys did enjoy it, please make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, like the video, comment what your favorite car was, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Love you guys.